Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the language is quick and easy to do once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to change the language on your Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then tap the arrow on the right side to get to the second settings page. Choose More Settings from the options. Then tap Language. You can then tap to choose the language that you would like to change to. It will take a moment to change. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.